Ngayon guys, maglalagay tayo dito sa hotspot natin. Hotspot ha. Hotspot on the phone like that. Okay, and then of course, naka-prepare na yan siya guys, no? Let's preparing our dinner. Parang dahil sila dyan kung sino kakain. Kasi this is our food to prepare for Friday. If they don't like to eat, I don't know what their mother told them. Because sometimes, if the mommy told, you're rich, why you eat outside? Their mommy told like that. Are you rich? You're eating outside. Because you know guys, outside is so expensive when you eat guys. But they are eating only guys very small. They cannot eat so much. My goodness. Okay. Enjoy tayo lang mga langga, no? Kasi nga, syempre, kailangan natin prepare ng ating dinner. Okay. We are preparing the dinner for today, guys. Every single day. Guys, kailangan na natin talaga siya. Konti lang siya, guys. Okay na yan. Kasi, kung ako lang, hindi naman ako kumakain ngayon ng guys. Kasi, we have to do something on August 2. We need to, of course, we need to judge. Okay guys, and then after that guys, we will, what is that? We will put our, this one in here, but this one is really small. What should I do? I thought this is not enough, but it's enough guys. Here. This one is small. What should I do? I want a small one, more small one. I really have small one, guys. My God, what should I do? And then yeah, baby. Yes. Let's for that. Ay, yeah, guys. Iwan ko sa inyo guys. Kasi nga guys, syempre, that's over. Ganyan na lang siya guys, gawin natin guys, kasi maliit siya. Tapos yung ating malaki. Let's preparing like that. Ganyan na lang. Parang hindi matapon yung yung corn yun. Kung ilalagay natin siya dito, pahigain lang natin siya, pero wag guys, patagalin ha. Ilang minuto lang, okay na siya. Okay. Just prepare like that. And then, you can put like this. Okay. And put here. Of course, there is no. And of course, we put our this one guys. What is this? Carrots for the styling.